Hey guys, and welcome back to the Do-It-Yourself Car Mod segment. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change your B-pillar plastic trim from looking like this to looking like this. Alright, so now let's jump right into this easy do-it-yourself car mod. All you're really going to need is this kit right here, and it is going to come with your pillars, your side pillars. These are going to be stuck on with 3M tape or 3M adhesive on the rear, and it's going to stick right on to your vehicle. I'm going to put a link in the description box below to where I got these from. My specific vehicle comes with a total of 5 pieces that will fit onto the side of the vehicle, 1 on the driver's side and 4 on the passenger side. But depending on your vehicle, you are going to get different amounts of pieces. But let's get started with this installation. So immediately, you're not really going to know which pieces go to which side of the vehicle or the proper places. So you can pretty much just match them up since the back is not yet sticky. Just match them up and see if it fits on that particular area. So this one does look like it fits for the driver's side. But before I do that, I have to wipe off the area. We have the alcohol swab right here that it comes equipped with inside of the package. It's a very small little swab here. We're just gonna wipe up and down really quick. So now I'm gonna take our piece here. We're gonna peel off the backing, which is gonna be the red piece. You just want to align it properly. All right, and then you just want to make sure that every single piece of this is stuck on the car. So just go up and down just a little bit with your hand to make sure all of it is stuck onto your surface. So now that this is on, you are going to notice that there's still going to be like quite a few scratches on the front and stuff, and that's because there is a clear plastic piece on here to prevent it from getting messed up. All right, so now we're just going to peel off the plastic backing here. And wow, there we go. That looks so good. It looks OEM. It looks like it came straight from the factory like that. Very crisp, clean, black look. Especially once these windows get tinted, because I'm planning on tinting these windows eventually. It's just gonna look like a one clean black slate right here. It's definitely gonna look extremely, extremely attractive looking. But right now, it definitely dresses up the side of the vehicle quite a bit. Definitely looks a lot better than the matte black piece that was there previously. All right, so now let's hop on to the other side and check it out. All right, so once again, the first thing you wanna do is clean off the area with your alcohol swab here. And I'm going to clean off all 4 at the same time. So now we're going to put on our pillars. So let's first put on this one, and then we'll just work our way back to the rear. So first we have to line these up, see which one is which. All right, and you're just going to peel off the red backing once again. And there we go. And just look at the comparison. All right, so let's peel off the back of our next pillar here. And then one really cool thing about this company is that they do give me the rear portion for the door handle, which is really, really cool. All right, so now the last piece, which they consider this a pillar, this little door handle piece will go right onto there. So once again, let's peel off the red backing. And there we go. Alright guys, well there you have it. That is pretty much my easy way of making your pillars look absolutely incredible and definitely make your vehicle look a little bit more upscale and premium, and of course a bit newer. Well, that's it for this do-it-yourself car mods episode. Comment and tell me what you would like to see in future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Marcus, and thanks for watching Drive and Be Driven. Keep it positive, and I'll see you next time. You can become a Drive and Be Driven driver today. Just simply click the subscribe button and you will become a part of the Drive and Be Driven circle. Subscribing will allow you to stay up to date with the Drive and Be Driven YouTube channel. Thank you to all of my current Drive and Be Driven drivers for driving me towards my goals and dreams. Stay subscribed for more awesome videos like this one.